How's it going, guys? We'll be here just going to really quickly run through with you three free AI tools. I've been doing lots of work with AI recently, and these are three of the ones that I've found that are completely free, that work great, and so you can save yourself some money if you're looking to dabble in the AI image generation realm. So the first one, it's called Lumen. Which is completely free. All you have to do is sign up, but there's no, no credit card details, none of that. You just have to create an account, and you have as many generations as you want. So we got 6 different models you can use. Lumen, there's even Flux Snell, Anime, Pony Diffusion, all pretty good models. So yeah, we can create whatever you want there, and what you can do, you can change the aspect ratio as well, and you can make up to 2 images at a time with the free version, and yeah, that's it's pretty good, guys. So you can create some pretty good things. You can even get text in there like that. Flux is really good with text, so yeah, we can put in something like that, and it usually actually gives pretty good results, especially since it's a free one. It's something that even things like Midjourney struggle with the text. So yeah, definitely a great tool, guys. Check this one out. Yeah, highly recommend it. There you go. You got some of the text right there, but we got a goat. That's pretty funny, but yeah, that's pretty good. You can check out these models as well. They're all pretty good. So on to the next one. The next one is called chance.org. This one is especially great if you're looking to make not safe for work videos. So videos, images, whatever. So this one actually allows you, like Lumen, some of the other ones, they're gonna flag it if it's not safe for work, blood, gore, obviously sexual content as well. But this one is very good at making those kind of things. Especially, so if you go to like the generators here, and then you'll see there's ones like beautiful people, furry generator. So this is the beautiful people one here, and it even has its own not safe for work anime, things like that you can make. You can make your own type of Pokemon looking things, anime, all sorts of different things, guys, and it's completely free, so check that one out. It's a very good tool, and yeah, definitely if you're looking to make some NSFW stuff, then it's okay. Why is that? There we go, that one worked. Yeah, there we go. I think it's because I have ad blocker, so maybe take that one off. If you okay, so there we go. We got some generations there, and that's they're all free. You can make even up to 30. You can change the art style. Lots of different things you can do there. So yeah, check that one out as well. And the very last one, which is my personal favorite because of just the customizations that you can do with it, is Comfy UI. So Comfy UI is the node-based looking system like this, and it can look scary at first, but honestly it is quite simple. There's lots of templates, drag and drop, and all you have to do is download the right models and lawyers, etc., into the right area, and that's literally it. So don't get too scared by it. The only thing I will say though is usually you need to have a good GPU for it. So if you don't have a good computer like that, the other two are probably going to be for you. But if you do have a good computer with you, this is definitely the way to go. Get your Comfy UI going, learn it. It's really not that difficult, as I was saying. It's more about just putting things in the right spot, and letting it do all the work for you, and getting your prompts right. So yeah, just to finish off what I was saying, these are 3 awesome free tools that you can use. Obviously there are a bunch of awesome paid tools that you can use as well, but if you're not sure about what you want to be doing with AI and just want to muck around, see what it's like, obviously these are fantastic, and also Comfy UI is fantastic as well, if you have the computing power. So that's it. I'm not going to go into it too much more than that. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to dive into more. Cheers.